I'm Karen, and I'm going to take just a few minutes to show you how easy it is to edit text in Canva. We're going to be using this pickleball tournament flyer as our example, but you can apply everything you learn here to any other type of document that you need to edit in Canva. To start with, we're going to go over to the left sidebar where you see the text element and click that. It will make that stay open. First, we'll look at how to highlight the text so you can change things. Anytime that you need to move to something else or a box isn't doing what you want it to, just click in a blank spot and then go back to it. And that's the first way that you can change the text, is to simply click on it. Another way is to highlight it by clicking and using your mouse to drag over. Here are a list of fonts, and as you scroll down, you can simply click on them and they will appear on what you're working on, so you can get an idea of what it's going to look like. Then you can change the size either by clicking the plus or the minus. You can also click in the middle and change it by typing in a number, or you can drag these handles and make it as big or as small as you want to. There are some other elements on the text bar that you can change. The color is 1, so if you click up here, text color, you'll see in the sidebar that you have all these different colors to choose from. If you have branding, you can simply insert the hex code by clicking this plus and putting it in the box so that it gets the exact color you're looking for. Or you can click any of these other shades and change the color that way. You can make it bold or not bold, italics, underlined, strike through. You can change it to be all uppercase or all lowercase. Let me show you on this one because the one below is already all uppercase. So just by clicking on this button, you can change between the two. You can also change the alignment. This is at centered now. That's left justified. Just keep clicking. Full justified, right justified, and back to center. If you're going to have numerous things that you want to highlight, you can use the bullet list, or you can click again and change it to numbers. And you just keep clicking. If it puts a bullet somewhere you don't want them to be, you can just click in front of it with your mouse and backspace to get rid of the extras. You can also make text more transparent by clicking on this button and dragging the slider, and you see that it will go all the way to 0 where it doesn't show up at all. Sometimes you may like a color but you don't want it quite as obvious, so you can use the transparency feature for that. You can change the effects by adding a shadow, and you have all these options to offset it or change the color of the shadow. You can change a list and change the intensity, hollow, splice, and here you also have the option of changing the shadow that's with that. Outline, you can change that. Echo, glitch, neon. If you do something that you don't particularly care for, you can go up here to the undo button, or on a Windows computer you can press Control Z. On an Apple computer it would be Command Z, and you just keep doing that until you get back to where you want to be. See, it's going back through all the things that we did before. I'm just clicking again and again and again, and now it's back. You see it's grayed out. There are no more things for it to go backward for. Other options are positioning. If you have text, for example, down here at the bottom, if I move that all the way to the back, you can't see it. So I move it forward a few times, or if you know you want it all the way to the front or all the way to the back, you can click on those buttons. You can also use these alignment buttons if you want to do it that way. That's how simple it is to edit the text in a Canva document. I hope that you'll like this video, share it with others, and leave me a comment below to let me know if it was helpful or if there are any questions I can answer for you. Thanks a lot. I appreciate your time. Have a great day.